Stop me if this sounds familiar. Your paycheck hits, you feel that little rush of relief, maybe even plan how this month you're finally getting ahead. And then, 3 weeks later, you're asking, where did it all go? You've been being good with money, cutting back on small things, canceling a subscription here and there, telling yourself this month will be different. Yet your bank balance still doesn't match the effort you're putting in. Here's what almost nobody tells you. The problem usually isn't the big, obvious purchases. It's the invisible lifestyle tax you're paying every day. The convenience fees, the tiny upgrades, the "I deserve this" moments that quietly add up to hundreds of dollars you don't remember spending. Most people go their whole lives never knowing the true cost of the life they're living. Today, that changes. In this video, you'll calculate your exact survival number, your lifestyle number, and what those two numbers are really costing you every month. Plus, a simple way to finally make your income match the life you want. Welcome to Money Opulence, where we turn "I make good money but feel broke" into "I know exactly where my money goes and I'm building real wealth on purpose." If you're ready to stop guessing and finally get honest, grab a notebook or open your notes app. We're doing this together, step by step. First, we're going to separate your spending into two simple buckets: survival and lifestyle. Survival is what it costs you to stay alive and functioning. Housing, utilities, basic groceries, transportation, minimum debt payments, and essential insurance. Lifestyle is everything that makes your life feel like your life. Eating out, streaming services, gym, hair, nails, travel, hobbies, kids' activities, upgrades, convenience, and little treats. Neither bucket is good or bad. We're not here to shame you. We're here to see clearly. Let's start with your survival number, the minimum it takes to keep your life running. Pull up your bank and credit card statements from the last full month. If your income or bills fluctuate a lot, use the last 3 months and take the average. Now, write down your rent or mortgage, utilities like electric, gas, water, and trash, phone and internet, basic groceries, not takeout, transportation, including gas, public transit, car payment, basic maintenance, and insurance. Minimum payments on all debts, health insurance or medical essentials, and anything else that is truly non-negotiable for basic functioning. Add those up. This total is your survival number. Pause this video if you need to. Don't just estimate. Write it down, because this is the number that tells you, if money got tight, this is what I have to cover. Now we're getting to the number that shocks most people. Next comes your lifestyle number. What you spend to feel comfortable, social, entertained, and like yourself. Look back through that same month and write down what you spent on eating out, coffee, takeout, and delivery. Subscriptions like streaming, apps, software, and memberships. Shopping for clothes, Amazon, gadgets, and decor. Beauty, grooming, and self-care, entertainment, dates, and kids' activities. Travel or weekend getaways. And convenience spends like Uber, Instacart, and last-minute purchases. Add those up. This total is your lifestyle number. Again, no shame. You're not in trouble. You're just finally seeing the real cost of the life you're currently living. Now, let's bring your income into the picture. Write down your average monthly take-home pay. What actually hits your bank account after taxes and deductions. Now do 3 quick checks. First, income minus survival. This tells you how much room you actually have after the bare minimum. Second, income minus survival plus lifestyle. This tells you what's truly left for saving, investing, and debt payoff, not what you wish was left. Third, compare that leftover to how much you think you should be saving or investing each month. Is there a gap? If your numbers show that your lifestyle is quietly using up the money you thought you should be saving, that's not a character flaw. That's just math finally getting honest with you. Here's the powerful moment most people never reach. You now know the full price of the life you're living. Not just rent is this much, or I spend too much on takeout. You have a real number. It costs you a certain amount to survive. It costs you a certain amount to live the life you're living right now. and you're bringing in a certain amount. When those three numbers are on paper, your situation stops feeling vague and emotional and starts becoming a solvable problem. This is where shame usually tries to creep in. This is so bad. I should have known this. I'm so behind. But you're not behind. You're just getting honest. And most people never even get this far. Now that you have your numbers, look for a few red flags. Is your lifestyle number bigger than your survival number? That doesn't automatically mean it's wrong, but it does mean lifestyle is carrying a lot of weight in your budget. Are you spending more than you make once you add survival and lifestyle together? That usually shows up as credit card balances that never seem to go down. Is the amount left over for saving and investing basically zero or negative? That's why you feel like you make good money but never move forward. Again, this isn't about beating yourself up. This is about finally seeing the rules of the game you've been playing blind. I want you to drop one thing in the comments. Tell me which number surprised you the most: survival, lifestyle, or what was actually left over. You don't have to share the amounts if you don't want to. Just type survival, lifestyle, or leftover. I read these comments and your answers shape future videos, so you'll see you're not alone in this. If you want help doing this without getting overwhelmed, I've put together a free worksheet that walks you through these exact steps, line by line, and helps you plug in your real numbers. Now that you know your survival number and your lifestyle number, the next step is to find out where your money is actually slipping through the cracks. A lot of that "I make good money but still feel broke" feeling comes from silent money leaks. Small, repeated decisions that drain hundreds of dollars a month without ever feeling like a big purchase. So here's what to watch next. Watch my video. These 9 money leaks are sabotaging your finances. I break down the most common silent drains that keep people restarting from zero and how to plug each one step by step. I'll link it on the screen and in the description, or you can go straight to it here. These 9 money leaks are sabotaging your finances. Subscribe and turn on notifications so good income, broke reality doesn't stay your story. And then tap that money leaks video so you can stop your cash from quietly walking out the door every month. You work too hard to stay confused about your money. Today isn't about blame. It's about finally seeing the true price of your life and choosing what you'll keep, what you'll change, and the future you're building. You're not behind. You're getting honest. The moment you face the numbers is the moment your story starts to change. And that's where real wealth begins. See you in the next video.